Alrighty, hi guys. So today in math class we are going to continue what we were doing last week, and we're going to be continuing talking about areas and perimeters of shapes. So I want you guys to do a little turn and talk. I want you to talk with your partners, and I want to see if you guys can remember what the area of a shape is and what the perimeter of a shape is. Alrighty guys, let's turn or lower our voices. Who here has an answer for me? Who can tell me what the area of a shape is? Yes. Yes, exactly. So the area of a shape is how much space, or like square inches, for example, is inside of a shape. So how many square inches would be inside of a square or a rectangle or a circle? Now, who here can tell me what exactly a perimeter of a shape is? Yes. Yes, exactly. The perimeter of a shape is how much space is around a shape. So how much space would be around like a square, triangle, or circle. Alrighty. So now that we remember all of our definitions and all that, I want you guys to take out your notebooks, and I want you guys to get out the papers that you picked up at the when you walked into class today, and we're going to work through a couple of examples together, and then at the end of class you're going to do an exit ticket for me, and you're going to turn that in for a grade. Alrighty? So why don't you get that out while I get the board set up. Alrighty, so our problem is asking us find the area and the perimeter of the following triangle. Now, in order to do that, we need to know the formula to find the area of a triangle. So does anyone remember what the formula is to find the area of a triangle? Yes. Yes. It's 1/2 times base times height. Now, what is our base and what is our height in this? Yeah, our base would be 40 and our height would be 30. So our base is 40 feet. Make sure, oops, that says 4 feet. Excuse me. Now make sure when you're doing all this, you put the unit. So our height, y'all said, was 30 feet. So now, how do you think we find the area? Yes, so we would multiply 40 times 30. Now, does anyone know what that is? And yes, y'all can use your calculators. Yes, that would be 1,200. Now, who can tell me what 1,200 feet times 1/2 is? Yes, it is. Oops. It would be 600. And remember, excuse me, when we do the area, we always have, it would always, our answer is always the unit squared. So our answer is what? Area equals, yeah, 600 feet squared. Alrighty. So now, all right. So now it's asking us to find the perimeter. Now, to find the perimeter, the perimeter, the formula would be side plus side plus side. Since it's a triangle, there's 3 sides. So this one, it is a little bit easier than the area because all we have to do is basically just add up all the sides. So who can tell me what numbers we're supposed to add up to find the perimeter? Yeah, it would be all of the 40s because those are the sides. And remember, this right here, that's the height. So the sides equal, so 40 feet. Remember, you need to make sure you add the unit. So 40 plus 40 feet. We're adding them all together. We're 812. So our perimeter would be 40 feet. Or, sorry, 120 feet. Now, there is another way to do this. Does anyone know what that is? Or can anyone tell me the other way to do this is? Yeah, you would multiply it by 3 because there's 3 sides and they're all the same, 40. So you would do 40 feet times 3. 3 times 0 is 0, and 4 times 3 is 12. So our answer, 120 feet. It's simple as that. Easy peasy. Alrighty? Alrighty, y'all. Great job today. Now I want you guys, for your exit ticket, to find both the area and the perimeter of a rectangle that is 9 units long and 3 units wide. Alrighty, I want you to remember to show all your work. Make sure you maybe draw the rectangle if it helps. And I want you to make sure you circle your answer. Again, show all your work, all the steps that you used. Make sure you put your name on it and turn it in because this is going to be for a grade. Alrighty, you all did a great job today, and we'll see you tomorrow.